to R. To R what?
I don't know.
I'm gonna say welcome to R, and you all three say
Vacation.
oh.
Beach house. Vacation.
YouTube channel. Where are we going?
The beach.
We're going to the beach.
We need this?
Yes.
No, we won't.
Yeah, we do. Cause when we park the car.
Oh yeah.
So, what is it? How many nights? 4 nights.
4 nights.
4 nights in the beach. Rice cooker.
Why? When is getting sent out to the beach?
We have a tent, cooler, chairs.
She's recording. Mom,
Yeah.
use the mic.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the milk. Cause I think she got London's milk.
What?
But just-
Mom, you're supposed to stop buying it for him.
Excuse me.
You're supposed to stop buying it.
You drinking it too?
Yeah, but I don't have high cholesterol.
Are
You
you sure?
It's not
Are you
cholesterol.
sure you're not forgetting anything?
Yeah, why? Where's your thing? Oh. Boy! Are you kidding me?
It's the first.
There's a bird right there.
freaking one.
Which one?
The first one, I think.
The Bermuda.
Yeah.
Bro. I guess we're swimming first. The beach. Oh, one bedroom with the lights. Oh! There's there's bedroom.
There's a big one in there too, but it's
That's ours. Washer and dryer. Dang it. Ooh. Bathroom. Hi. Kitchen. Ooh. Living room. Master bedroom. A shade.
And mom, dad.
Mm-hmm. Ooh,
Wait,
the
who else is coming?
bed sheets.
So Cameron, Wilma, Mom. So that's it.
We have the beach.
Dad, who's coming?
Maybe they don't want you to use it.
I guess. Stand up shower.
What's that noise?
The camera.
Like the.
The camera.
Can I run?
Jam pass.
Oh, no cars.
I don't know if we can cross right here.
Can we? Yeah, I am.
Let's see if we can just order it. Yeah, we use the fish right there. That was great sunset cruise.
Feelings do you feel when you're with the Zeus?
I don't know. What do you feel?
Happiness.
I feel so clear.
Without Jesus.
Show your
And then
I got Q-tips and this stuff.
when Jesus doesn't come home to the house.
I got my sandwich. So it's $20. And then I got my little thingy which yeah.
You took mine.
I stole it from mom. What? I've been having this one and then I just took this one.
Here, mom, can you do worse for me?
Oh my god.
Let
Let me do it.
Okay, it's extra credit.
Stop stealing my spotlight. Okay. So I got my two mascaras, my combo.
You gotta put it.
That's my combo. I put this on my top and this on the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
What? You use two different things?
I know. Okay, go on. What is that?
My setting powder.
Sage powder.
Powder.
What is it called?
Setting powder.
No, the name.
Laura Messer. What? I got my thing.
What?
What?
Pick? So, wala na ni Pick Pick?
My soap water. Shut up!
What, mom?
Then I got Glossier.
Oh
It was $16. And this one.
$16.
Yeah. I got my Dior. It's real. So it says Christian Dior on it. So
How much is that?
like 36.
36.
$36.
Okay.
Then I got my Limo. Then I got my Beamer. Then I got
Yeah,
this.
clean that. It's like a bug crust.
It's like your book. I do. I
Let me see. Ew.
What? It's supposed to look like that.
I'm supposed to.
It is.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not supposed to
Oh,
be.
okay.
I got my primer.
What kind is it?
Elf.
Okay.
I got.
Oh, who's that? Oh my god. I was looking for
Really? Can you buy me the life size? Not life size, like.
the life size. What is a life size? Like that big.
No, the big one.
That big right there.
The big one.
What, that one?
Don't be wasting the battery.
There's like
Okay.
kind of concealer on
Oh, you
it.
tried it?
So what
So
else?
you can't like put it like. Actually,
Okay.
that's it. Oh my god, my thing fell off.
What?
My eyelash fell off. This is how I do it. Like, this, like, 'cause I have to do something in order to like be normal.
What?
Like,
What is
'cause
that?
it came off because it was in the bag. Girl, what are you doing? Okay, so first, sometimes because it's like that. See, yeah.
Let us see.
Like it's like that, like it's uneven. And if I curl it uneven, it's not gonna look better. You see, like uneven
yeah.
right here. So I have to, so because this one is sometimes up, so I have to do like that and then do that. Then I curl it and I keep doing that. And there's some loose Q-tips in here.
Mhm.
That's it.
That's all.
That's work.
Go to the front. Look, the sun looks cute. Bessie cheese, look at me. What, bro?
Here, try this.
I like Fortnite.
What happened? Got water in it?
Really, Lantern? Lantern alert.
He's breathing. I can barely hear you. Just keep it on. Just come here. Yeah.
Really, Mom? Go in the pool.
There's ants right there.
What, bro? Is it waterproof? You should have got the waterproof. Why are you recording me? Why not? Why? Why do you have to? What? Go in. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Because we can't. Yeah, I can barely hear you.
Is it working?